Hello, savvy investors and real estate enthusiasts. Welcome to our latest discussion on the exciting and ever-evolving world of real estate investing. In a world where change is the only constant, keeping your finger on the pulse of the latest trends in real estate investing is more than just a smart move, it's a necessity. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the current landscape of real estate investing in 2024. We'll explore the seismic shifts caused by the pandemic and how they've reshaped the investing terrain. We'll also highlight emerging investment opportunities that are ripe for the picking this year, from the rise of short-term rentals to the resurgence of suburban homes. We've got a lot to cover, and that's not all. We'll also discuss the role of technology in transforming the investing landscape and the various financing options available to investors. So, buckle up and stay tuned as we delve into the profound impact of the pandemic on real estate and the emerging opportunities it has brought. The pandemic has undeniably shaken the real estate market, causing shifts in demand, changes in lending practices, and the rise of remote work. The real estate market, like many sectors, has been deeply affected by the pandemic. It's been a period of both turmoil and transformation, leading to a shift in traditional paradigms. One of the most significant changes has been a shift in demand. With more people working from home, the need for office space has diminished, while the demand for larger residential properties with home offices has soared. There has also been a migration from crowded city centers to more spacious suburban and rural areas. This exodus has been fueled by a desire for more space and a lower cost of living. The pandemic has, in essence, redefined what home means to many people, and this has had a profound impact on real estate investment trends. Changes in lending practices have also been evident. As economic uncertainty loomed, lenders tightened their requirements, making it harder for some investors to secure financing. However, this also led to historically low interest rates, which have benefited those with strong credit profiles and solid investment plans. The rise of remote work has also had a significant impact, with more companies adopting long-term or permanent remote work policies. Employees are no longer tied to specific geographic locations. This has led to increased interest in previously considered secondary, presenting new opportunities for investors. But perhaps the most lasting impact of the pandemic has been the acceleration of certain trends that were already in motion. The shift towards a more digital, tech-driven real estate industry has been supercharged, with virtual tours and online transactions becoming the norm rather than the exception. In summary, the pandemic has reshaped the real estate landscape, creating new challenges but also presenting exciting opportunities. The shifts in demand, changes in lending practices, and the rise of remote work have all played a role in this transformation. As we move forward, understanding these changes and adapting to the new normal will be crucial for real estate investors. As we navigate this new landscape, several real estate investment opportunities stand out for their potential profitability in 2024. First, let's discuss short-term rentals and vacation properties. With the world gradually opening up, people have an insatiable desire to experience new places, making short-term rentals a lucrative venture. Vacation properties in popular destinations are also seeing a surge in demand, promising high returns on investment. Next up, suburban single-family homes. With the rise of remote working, many are seeking quieter, more spacious living spaces outside the hustle and bustle of city life. This trend is expected to continue, making suburban single-family homes a solid investment choice. Now, let's talk about multifamily properties and apartment buildings. As city dwellers search for affordability, multifamily properties offer a solution. Investors can benefit from consistent rental income and potential appreciation over time. Commercial real estate, particularly warehouses and medical offices, also presents a unique opportunity. The e-commerce boom has increased the need for warehouses, while the healthcare sector's steady growth has made medical offices a stable investment. Lastly, we have real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These provide a way for individuals to invest in large-scale, income-producing real estate. REITs offer diversification and long-term, stable income, making them an attractive option for investors. Now, let's back all this up with some data. According to a report by the National Association of Realtors, vacation rentals are expected to reach a market size of over $200 billion by the end of 2024. Meanwhile, suburban single-family homes saw a price increase of over 10% in the last year alone. Multifamily properties have maintained a steady growth rate of around 5% annually over the past decade. And in terms of commercial real estate, the warehouse sector alone is projected to grow by over 20% in the next 5 years. By identifying these trends early, investors can position themselves for success in the evolving market. In addition to new market trends, technology is transforming the real estate investing landscape. The real estate industry, like many others, has not been immune to the digital revolution. In fact, it's being reshaped by it. From the way we find and analyze potential investments to the way we manage and maintain our properties, technology is changing the game. Let's start with data analytics. Today, we have access to vast amounts of data right at our fingertips. This data can provide crucial insights into market trends, property values, and even tenant behavior. Analyzing this data can help investors make informed decisions, identify opportunities, and avoid potential pitfalls. Next, we have virtual property tours. This has been a game changer, especially in the wake of travel restrictions and social distancing measures. With virtual tours, investors can explore properties from anywhere in the world without stepping foot on the premises. This not only saves time, but also broadens the scope of potential investments. Finally, let's talk about online investing platforms. These platforms are revolutionizing the way we invest in real estate. They offer a range of services, from crowdfunding opportunities to real estate investment trusts, REITs. They also provide a wealth of resources, including educational content, market news, and networking opportunities. There are several tools and platforms that investors can leverage. For instance, tools like Zillow and Redfin provide comprehensive property listings and market trends. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul offer access to diverse portfolios and investment opportunities. And let's not forget about property management software like Appfolio and Buildium, which can streamline operations and improve efficiency. Remember, the key to leveraging these tools and platforms is to use them strategically. They should complement your investment strategy, not dictate it. Also, always be mindful of the risks and limitations associated with these technologies. Like any tool, they're only as good as the person using them. With these technological advancements, investing in real estate has become more accessible and efficient than ever before. Technology has truly democratized real estate investing, opening doors for anyone with a computer and an internet connection. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, there's never been a better time to embrace the future of real estate investing. To seize these opportunities, understanding the various financing options available is crucial. The landscape of real estate investing in 2024 offers a broad palette of financing avenues. Traditional mortgages are still a solid choice, offering stability and predictable terms. Private money lending is another viable option, particularly for those with a robust network of high-net-worth individuals. For the tech-savvy investor, crowdfunding platforms present an exciting opportunity. They allow you to pool resources with other investors, spreading both the cost and the risk. Each of these options has its merits, but they also come with their own set of challenges. Securing favorable financing terms is all about research, negotiation, and sometimes a bit of creativity. Don't be afraid to shop around for the best mortgage rates, negotiate terms with private lenders, or even combine different financing options. Armed with the right financing strategies, you can maximize your investment potential. But remember, as with any investment, risk management and due diligence are paramount. In a market as dynamic as real estate, staying ahead of the curve means understanding the inherent risks and how to mitigate them. Thorough due diligence is the bedrock of successful real estate investing. It's not just about the property itself, but also understanding the trends both at a macro and micro level, from the health of the economy to the specifics of the neighborhood. So, how do you evaluate potential investments? Start with a detailed market analysis. Look at factors such as local employment rates, population growth, and future development plans. Next, assess the property conditions. An inspection can reveal potential issues that could impact your return on investment. Finally, calculate potential returns. This includes projected rental income, appreciation, and tax benefits. Mitigating risks is equally important. Diversifying your portfolio, securing the right insurance coverage, and having a contingency plan are all part of a robust risk management strategy. By conducting thorough due diligence and managing risks effectively, you can ensure your investments are sound and profitable. To wrap up, let's share some actionable tips and best practices for successful real estate investing in 2024. First and foremost, it's crucial to stay informed. The real estate market is constantly evolving with new trends and opportunities emerging regularly. By staying updated with market news and forecasts, you can make informed decisions and seize profitable opportunities. Next, building a strong network is key. Relationships with other investors, real estate professionals, and lenders can provide invaluable insights, opportunities, and support. Don't underestimate the power of a well-connected network. Adapting to market changes is also essential. Embrace new technologies, trends, and opportunities. Be flexible and open-minded. Setting realistic goals is fundamental. Base your goals on thorough research and realistic expectations, not wishful thinking. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Lastly, never stop learning. There's always something new to learn in real estate investing. Continuous education is the key to long-term success. With these tips and best practices, you're well equipped to navigate the dynamic world of real estate investing in 2024. That covers our discussion on real estate investing trends and opportunities in 2024. We've dived into the impact of the pandemic on the real estate market, highlighting the shift in demand and the rise of remote work. We've uncovered the emerging investment opportunities of the year with a keen focus on short-term rentals, suburban homes, multifamily properties, commercial real estate, and real estate investment trusts. We've also touched on the transformative role of technology in the real estate landscape, from data analytics to virtual property tours and online investing platforms. We've explored various financing options, offering tips to secure favorable terms. We've stressed the importance of due diligence and risk management in a changing market, and shared practical tips and best practices for successful real estate investing in 2024. Remember, stay proactive and informed. Subscribe to our channel for more real estate insights and join our community of like-minded investors. Until next time, happy investing.